In this video is about the 3D modeling from the scratch for the luxury house until rendering ultra realistic with the Nano Banana Gemini AI. Okay, let's watch. First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle in here and click from this origin. Okay, and then we can click to the right side around 8 meter and enter. Then we can move it to the behind. We can move it to the behind around 16 meter. Enter. Okay, and we can click this surface and push it up. We can type 400 millimeter. Enter. Then we can triple click and also make group. Then we can select move, tap control, and we can type 4 meter. Enter. Okay, and after that we can duplicate this double object. Select move, tap control, click from this corner until to the position first. Okay, now we can rotate this one. We can rotate a 90 degree and for this position. Then we can select move and place to the position in here, so we can get the shape like this. Okay, then we can triple click and select the surface and push it to the another side. We can add more 7 meter and enter, and after that we can add more 7 meter more in here. Okay, this is the basic shape, and then now we can make the rectangle again. You can select the rectangle, click from the corner to the corner and click this surface, offset it inside 500 millimeter, enter, and click this surface, right click and then erase. Then we can triple click, line, erase again, and then we can push it up until this position. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, now we can delete these surfaces, the top and bottom surfaces. And then we can select the line and select move, tap control, place to the position. Then we can type 8 slash and enter, and again select this line, this single line only, and also this single line. Okay, press shift so we can select both of the line. Then we can select move, tap control, place it to position, and then we can type 4 slash and enter. Okay, so and after that we can select the rectangle. Okay, we can select the rectangle, or we can select the rectangle in here, click from this corner to the corner. Okay, then we can offset it around 300 only. Okay, then we can click the surface, erase, triple click, erase. We can triple click, then we can offset it inside 150 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this surface, erase, and we can push it up until the position. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, and after that we can divide into the transparent area. This is for the transparent area. We can select the rectangle, click from this position to the position. Okay, then we can push it to the behind and erase the unnecessary line, the unnecessary surface over there, so we can get these openings. And then we can select the rectangle, click from this corner and then to this position. Okay, and after that we can select this line and select move, tap we can select line, select move, tap control, place to the position. Okay, then we can type 5 slash and enter. Okay, and after that we can triple click and make group. Okay, don't forget to add more the structural system in here. We can select the in this position. This is the structural support, make group and select. We can make component, then create and select move, tap control and place to this position. Okay, we can select the material with translucent glass blue and also this position translucent glass blue. And anyway, we can also add more elements of the wall in here. Then we can push it to the front 150 millimeter. Triple click, make group. Okay, and after that we can add more elements. This is about the side. Okay, this is about the side anyway. and we can add a swimming pool. We can add the swimming pool in here. Okay, just like this. Then we can assign the water materials like this. Okay, then we can assign about the pavement. Okay, anyway, this is the pavement are only in this position. We can separate the pavement, this outer pavement, and then we can select the inner pavement with the landscaping. We can select the more grid landscaping in here with using this one, or maybe we can scale. We can scale with 1000. Okay, just like this, and we can also change about the brightness of this pavement, and we can select the border of this swimming pool. We can select the concrete materials in here, just like this. Or okay, we can add more step. We can add more stepping in here. Okay, this is just for the stepping. Okay, this is for the stepping. Make group. Okay, we can make group. Anyway, we can make group. Then we can select the pool deck in here, and then we can assign about the planter area. We can assign about the planter area in here. Okay, this one, and also this one, and to this position, and we can add more the planter position. Then we can change the materials with using the grass materials in here. Then we can put on the tree to the appropriate planter area over there, just like this. Okay, this is the backyard garden anyway, and we can also add more planter area with a circle in here. Okay, approximately in this position. So we can select move and duplicate, so we can get the planter area in here. Okay, then we can add more variation of the color with using the dark color in here for the border of this house element, of this top house element. And then we can add more elements in here. We can push it to the front a little bit, make group. Okay, and then we can extend more, and then we can select the wood materials over there to make it more realistic, just like this. And okay, probably we can add more elements, add more house element in here, and select a push pull to the front and enter, and place on materials in here. And we can also we can also add more elements. Okay, we can also add more elements in this position. Okay, just like this. Okay, now we can assign about the shadow. Okay, so this is about the shadow of the materials. So we can get the basic model. This is just only basic model, because we will make the fast rendering with Gemini AI. Okay, and then we can now screenshot about this scene of the house. We can now screenshot about this scene of the house with using this one. Okay, we can screenshot and copy. Okay, then we can paste in here. Okay, now anyway I've already prepared about this prompt, and then we can place the prompt in here, and we can click this nano banana icon in here. So we can click send, then we can just wait, and it takes time, so we can just wait about the rendering progress with Gemini AI with a nano banana, just like this. And okay, so this is the result. Anyway, this is the result, and we can also download it. Then if we feel it's not satisfying, so we can add more. We can change about the prompt. Anyway, I have to change about the prompt with the sentence. this environment I will change from the asphalt road, okay, this sentence I will change with greenery. Okay, and then we can copy again and place. Can copy and place, and then we can copy again this prompt and place to the position, and we can just wait again. We can just wait again about the rendering result from this Nano Banana prompting this one. Okay, anyway, it's getting trouble. It's getting trouble with the prompt. Maybe we can change again. Maybe we can change again. About the environment, we can change again about the environment. The environment is not the greenery. It's not the greenery. Okay, greenery we can change with a swimming pool, elite swimming pool area with the cozy pool deck. It has and I will add more the prompt. It has thing inside the pool. Okay, we can copy again and place, and we can copy again about this prompt and paste. Anyway, it's just a simple exercise, so you can make the own exercise about the prompting modification. So you can trial and error. You can make a trial and error to get the perfect rendering. Anyway, okay, this is about the result. So you can see that it has interior layout and arrangement, and it has interior modification by AI itself. So you can get the inspiration from this AI rendering. This one, it's not just only rendering, but it gives you inspiration about the layout and much more. If it has some failure, you can just improve with your own 3D model based on this some inspiration you can take. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join about the membership, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.